Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the digital teaching of lesson number 2, History and the Concept of Time. Let's see the first unit, Division of Time and the Timeline. There are different methods of reckoning time. Time is continuous, but for our convenience, we divided time into two periods, day and night. When there is sun, we call it a day. When it is dark, we call it a night. Now let's see how this takes place in a video.
Let's talk about two of the Earth's motions, rotation and revolution. We will see first rotation. The Earth rotates about the imaginary line and passes through the north and south poles of the planet. This line is called the axis of rotation. It takes about 23 hours 56 minutes to complete one rotation. We round it as 24 hours, which we call as one day. The earth rotates from west to east, which is called clockwise. As the earth rotates, different locations of the earth pass to the sun's light. As a result, the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. As the earth rotates, the side of the earth facing the sun experiences the daytime, and the side of the earth facing away from the sun experiences nighttime. So the Earth's rotation is responsible for us in explaining day and night. The pendulum, which was introduced in 1851, was the first experimented evidence of the Earth's rotation. The pendulum moves back and forth due to the Earth's rotation and strikes the balls. The Earth's revolution is the period of time that takes the Earth to go round the Sun. It takes two objects in order for revolution. The Earth revolves round the Sun. It takes the Earth 364.25 days to revolve round a Sun. We round this to 65 days or 12 months or 1 year. The Earth travels in a counterclockwise direction.
As we have seen, the Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to this rotation, there is approximately 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of nighttime, which together makes one day. 7 days make a week, 2 weeks make a fortnight, 4 weeks make a month, 12 months make a year, 100 years make a century, and 10 centuries or 1000 years makes a millennium. A method of dividing time and arranging in serial order is known as a unilinear division of time. Similarly, history is also presented in a linear and serial manner, keeping a chain of events one after another. For this, we refer to the calendar which has started in the memory of Jesus Christ and hence called as Christian era, written as CE or AD. AD denotes Anno Domini, which means in the year of Jesus Christ. The first 100 years is written as 1200 CE or 1200 AD in this calendar. Now let us see how the events before this Christian era were recorded. The period before the Common Era is known as BCE or BC. The first century before the era began at the year 100 BCE and ended with 1 BCE. So the years of these periods are counted in reverse order. Let us see how it is written in the reverse order. For example, the lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir is written as 599 BC to 527 BC, whereas of Gautam Buddha's is written as 563 BC to 483 BC. Now let us see how the time is being measured. To measure time is to measure the length of time. Namely, 1 millennium is 10 centuries. 1 century is 100 years. 1 year is 12 months. 1 month is 4 weeks. 1 week is 7 days. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Thus, we learn that a second is the smallest of these units for measuring time. In Christian era, a particular day is written by writing the date of that day. The date consists of the serial number of that day, followed by the serial number or name of the month of the current year. Just as Christian era started in the memory of Jesus Christ, people in other parts of the world in old ages were used to start a new era to make a special event of our great kings. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who started a new era or Shaka known as Rajyabhishek Shaka in 1674 AD to commemorate his coronation. The current year is referred as Shiva Shaka 347. Similarly, King Shalivan and King Vikramaditya has started their own shakas after their coronations. The current year is also referred as Shalivan Shaka 1942 and Vikram Samvat 2076. Thank you.